kind of lost track of where my torque wrench is. Of course, it's not overly neat in the garage right now. I'm pretty sure it hasn't gone anywhere too far. By the way, my new clutch disc came, and I was trying to understand why I ordered a clutch disc before and it fit fine, and then I ordered this one and it didn't. And I realized that when I started looking for a clutch disc, that they made them with a 10-point spline clutch disc, meaning the transmission shaft. These are the splines. The old Chevys were 10-point splines. This one is a 14-point spline, and they also make like a 21-point spline. Now, I didn't even know that when I put this car together before. I just, picked a year, a kind of a, 80s year Chevy, and said, send me a clutch for that. They did. It fit. It must have been a 14 spline because it went right on there. And also, another piece of evidence that I ran across here is this tool. Now, I had this tool laying in my stuff, and it didn't fit the clutch I had, which is a 10 spline. And I thought, well, dang, that must be one for the Volkswagen, but it's not. It's one for this. Fits right in there. See that? Now, this tool replicates the end of the shaft over here on this T5 transmission. It's pretty dirty right at the moment. But what it does is it allows me to line up this new clutch and have it hold itself in place while I put the pressure plate over it and bolt that in place. So, basically, and I need to make sure I'm putting this on right. I think it goes, it probably tells me right here, warning, cancer, reproductive harm. Guess I ain't gonna have no more babies. Dang. I was looking forward to making me another little Josh too. Tag along behind me and hand me wrenches and stuff. Oh, he'll be so disappointed. He was looking forward to having a brother. By the way, you can put this clutch on here backwards. I did it one time. This side here faces out. It doesn't face in. Basically, you stick that in there like that, and you stick this in that pilot bearing like this, and now she's all lined up in the pilot bearing where she's supposed to be. And then when you put that pressure plate on there, she'll be just lovely. Let me get that. Pressure plate. Metal. It'll get a little surface rust on it. It won't hurt anything. In fact, first time you mash the clutch, release it and mash it again, all of this will be worn off. But I want to talk a little bit about this clutch. This is a gift from my friend Jerry, who lives down in Georgia. And Jerry's a real mechanic, and he knows about things. He knows all about things, including hot rod things and such as that. And he gave me this clutch. And I thought it was interesting. I've never seen one like that before. It's a center force. And I thought, well, I've never seen one like that before. I'll just look it up online. Well, that little bugger right there, near as I can tell, cost $300 or $400. Now, I'll go to buy a clutch. Usually I can buy a clutch, pressure plate, throw out bearing, one of these little gizmos right here and all that for, under $100. That's the kind of cheap guy I am, because that's how my pay grade works. But Jerry done given me something that's really nice. I kind of looked up about it, what they said about it, and everything they said was good. So thanks to Jerry, I got a really nice pressure plate to go on here. I have some parts boxes out there, and I think the wind just blew them away. I'm gonna go deal with them. I'll be right back.